In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a table in Snowflake. For those of you who might be new to this, Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing service that helps you store and analyze large amounts of data. Now, renaming a table could be a part of your routine database management tasks, or part of a larger project where you're restructuring your data to better suit your evolving needs. Regardless of why you need to rename a table, it's important to know how to do it correctly to maintain the integrity and organization of your data. First, let's understand the basic requirement for this operation. To rename a table in Snowflake, you'll need to use the alter table statement right in conjunction with the rename to clause. But before diving into the syntax, there's a key privilege you must consider. It's essential that you have the ownership privilege on the table you want to rename. Without this, the system won't allow you to make changes, so double-check your permissions if you encounter any issues. Now let's dive into the syntax. The command you need looks something like this: alter table rename to clause. This command is fairly straightforward. You're instructing Snowflake to alter or change a specific table. The placeholder should be replaced with the table's existing name. This tells Snowflake exactly which table you intend to modify. The part rename to is the specific instruction to switch out the name. Finally, you'll replace with the new name you've chosen for your table. It's important to note that choosing your new table name should be done with some thought. Make sure your new name is descriptive and adheres to any naming conventions your organization might have. This could help others understand the table's purpose at a glance and maintain order in your database. After you've crafted your command, enter it in your Snowflake environment's query editor or command line tool where you typically run SQL commands. Once submitted, Snowflake will process your request, and if everything is in order with your permissions and syntax, your table will be renamed almost instantaneously. As an additional tip, after renaming your table, it might be a good idea to adjust any scripts, queries, or routines that reference the table's old name. This ensures that everything will continue to run smoothly and efficiently in your data flows and operations. Remember, while renaming a table is generally a simple operation, it can have cascading effects if not done carefully. Always double-check each step to maintain the integrity of your database. That's it for today's tutorial on renaming a table in Snowflake. Follow these steps, and you'll have no problem keeping your tables organized and aptly named. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.